So here's our 2025 GS 1300. Put my lid down. Slightly different.
2025 GS 1300.
Yep. And to turn this one on in comparison to the B, you're still going to use your right hand control, but here's going to be power. So basically, you're going to click that once. The screen's going to turn on for you. It is going to have a clutch bypass. Kickstand can be down. We're going to pull the clutch in. We're going to turn the ignition on here. Oh wow. Okay. Now, this one has some riding modes too. You are going to have your mode button on your right hand control. So right now we're in roll. Double click, we're in enduro. So this is going to be taking off some of that ABS. Okay. Because when you're going through the woods and stuff, you don't want too much traction control. You want to be able to have full control of your brakes. Now we're going to go eco. This is probably going to be, it is the most gas efficient mode, but it is the most slowest. It's going to be a lot more fun. Hit again so you ran full traction control. Hit it 2 more times again. Go back to road. I hit that 3 times back to the road. I'll bring it back to road.
Does this one have a dynamic mode?
This one, it does. This is going to be the enduro.
Okay, enduro is the same as
It's going to be opening up a little bit. So, we'll go back to road. It's going to be showing your system for the vehicle. So on your left hand control, you can see that little arrow down on the menu button. Just click down. On the screen, it's going to pop up. Right here is going to be the sport mode. It's going to show your DCC, your lean angles, ABS.
Oh wow.
Everything. It's going to show all your computer systems on this page here.
So that's from, when it talks about lean angle, it's from the previous ride or what you're experiencing now?
What you're experiencing right then and there.
Why do people want to know their lean angle? I don't have a clue.
Honestly, I have no idea.
Okay, don't worry about it. I guess just for bragging rights.
I know this is, okay, actually I do know why. They can see what it's set to, and then when they go out for test rides, they tinker with it after, like, hey, I like how it felt during this sharp curve with a little more lean angle. I could adjust the ABS in the rear from here, so they mess with the settings to make it for their preference.
What's this?
This is to put a GPS navigation system.
Okay.
And it's going to plug right back out in here, and you can hook up the GPS. You're going to put your phone in here. Right under this, you're going to plug your phone. And from here, you can do a triple pair. You can do your phone to the bike to the phone, and the bike to your thumbs.
Okay.
Go ahead and to get back out of here, you're going to hit the menu button up. And to go left or right, you're going to use the throttle again. And vehicle, you can go down. And now the vehicle is ready to head 96 degrees. You can see the PSI in the front and the rear. Hit over to the right again. It's very similar to the 1600B. It's showing your trips, tire pressure, when's your next service is due, and service due. So it's right now showing that service is going to be due.
This one only has 600 miles, right?
This one only has 103 miles, I believe.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yep. And that's, oh here, one more thing. You go down here, go down to level, you got your heating. So you can turn your heated grip on. You go down one time, this is the windscreen. If I press OK, you're going to see it go up and down. You can do this on the go too while you're riding. Bring it back down.
I love that. That is one of the goals for the next bike, man.
Yeah.
I want a tour that has every available option.
And here we can go dampening, DCC, ride height, I press OK, all the way to the bottom. I'm going to stand this bike upright. I'm going to bring the bike up. Line extended action not possible. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to ride her up. See the bike coming up?
Oh, wow.
To the front are off right now.
Right.
Put on some lights. Turn it on.
I love it.
You can control that to keep those fog lights running on or off.
I love it. So is it lowered down now? Let's get it down to the lowest height.
I think it is.
All right, then you ready to roll?
Yeah, we're ready to roll.
Let's rock and roll. The leg went over just fine. It's official. Okay, so
There's that on button here.
we're hitting the on button.
Good, and then you're going to use this to get it on.
All right. We are on the 1300. Oh, right away, it's bouncing.
Battery feel comfortable?
Feels great. You ready?
So you can hit the menu up. Up, one more time. One more time. One more time. There you go.
There we go. Okay, so 1300 GS.
There we go.
This is the official. Okay, right away, I can tell that I am on something different. Now, does it feel as comfortable and at home as what I just rode, which is the K1600B? The seat is not quite as comfortable, obviously. But I gotta admit, this thing feels great too. Oh my goodness. So this is reminding me of the Motorrad. It's reminding me of the Pan America, which it's supposed to because that's what it is. But this is the BMW 1300GS, and we are in road mode right now, and it feels great. Oh my gosh, this thing has leaned for days. She's leaning, y'all. Okay, this is silky smooth. Yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh my goodness. So it has me leaning forward a little bit, kind of like a sport bike. I'm sitting up. My butt feels great in this seat. Not quite 1600, but it feels great. Hey, this bike is riding like a dream. Let me not do it a disservice. The BMW 1300GS is not disappointing me, guys. This feels like a motorcycle. It's riding, it's cornering, I'm downshifting. I don't feel the downshift. It is smooth. Oh my goodness. The decision keeps getting harder.
How you feeling?
Yes. Okay, so I love it.
Like it?
I love it. Okay, so I mean, I really like the feel of the K1600B that's in front of me that I just rode moments ago. I really like the feel of the bagger. It was so low, and it rode like a sport bike. But this thing here, it has a different feel, and I gotta decide what I like the most. I gotta decide what I like the most about these feels.
Yeah. So the bigger one is gonna feel a little more stable than that, like this. Because the bigger cage, it's a little heavier, got the soft cages. But this one feels a lot more nimble.
It is
More nimble?
it's a whole lot more nimble.
Yeah.
I mean,
This is a little more comfortable though.
so I'm oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in a scene from Hamilton, and there are two sisters that love me. I like the K1600 next to me, and I also like this 1300GS that I'm on. Guys, help me decide. Please hit like or subscribe. Give me a comment. Tell me which one of these bikes I should choose. Should I choose the K1600B, GT, GTL, Grand America, or should I choose the new hotness, which is this beautiful motorcycle, this beautiful BMW motorcycle that I'm on, which is the K1600. I'm sorry, no, this is not the K1600. This is the 1300GS. When I ask myself, am I gonna go off-road? What percentage of my next ride will be off-road? We're talking less than 10%. When I ask myself what percentage of the next ride will be, let's go, on the highway. Look at this thing, look at it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I mean, I know people are rocking their Pan Americas and Ducati Multistradas, but the BMW guy told me to just try it. And I'm at 58 miles per hour turning corners. Oh yeah, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Let's lean, baby. Oh my God, oh my God. Is it worth it? Yes. Am I sold? Yes. We've got a competition, baby. We've got a competition, and I don't know what to choose. Look at that K1600 lean. That could be my next bike. But do you see, oh my God, do you see this BMW 1300GS leaning with it? Oh my gosh, there's no, okay, I gotta calm down because, oh, oh my God, it almost got away from me. I dropped down again and this sucker took off. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I dropped down the gear and lost my mind. I dropped down the gear and look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at this gentleman. This is what a motorcycle should feel like. This is what riding a bike's supposed to feel like. Okay, adrenaline. Calm down, Cliff. Calm down, Cliff. Calm down. Don't let the salesman know that you like the bike. Don't let him know that you like it. It's alright. Oh my goodness. What doesn't it do?
What though?
What doesn't it do? It's perfect. Really? And the bigger one feels a lot more stable, he says. I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so. Okay. So I don't know.
What about you?
I'm good. I have decisions to make. If you guys are interested in buying a adventure touring motorcycle, if you're interested in doing something different other than your basic cruiser or the bagger that you're on, take it from a guy that's making it a point to be purposeful. The BMW 1300GS is all that and a bag of Tic Tacs. It is what you're looking for. It performs, it turns, it leans, it is comfortable. You know, it's great. I just don't know what to say. It's a great motorcycle. I fully recommend the BMW 1300GS to everybody. It's made for big guys. It's made for small guys. It's made for women. It's made for newer riders. This is not a bike that in 6 months you'll find yourself looking for your next bike.